Hey everyone, welcome back to Engineer Tech Hub channel. So guys, in this video, I will give you the complete roadmap to become an automation test engineer in 2026. So many people are confused if you are a manual tester or if you are planning to learn automation testing, and many of them having also the some doubt here. We have a AI also, so what the impact on QA profile? Okay, so in this video we will discuss end to end. So watch this video till end, and if you have any query you can comment below, or if you are new in the channel, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Okay, so first of all guys, if you are a manual tester and you are a beginner, you never did programming before. Okay, so what the programming language you have to select, what the framework you have to learn, and which level of the practice you have to do, what the tools you have to learn, right? So watch this video till end. Okay, so first of all, if you guys already learning Selenium, okay, like you have learned 50% Java, Selenium, so again the people are jumping on the Playwright. I will come on the Playwright. So what I will suggest you, the people who is learning Selenium, okay, don't stop to learn, please continue. If you have a 50 or 60% hands-on practice, so if you are in the Selenium profile, then Java you have to learn in the depth, advanced knowledge of the Java of concept collection and logical programming. Okay, then Cucumber framework and Selenium is also very important, and Cucumber is common, definitely to be used in the any framework. Okay, so learn basics, advanced and framework development. This is your UI. If you will put only Java Selenium, you won't will get the interview calls. With Selenium, you have to add REST assured as well. Okay, REST assured library develop on the Java, so you can learn REST assured in the depth with framework development. Okay, you have to show it. You have to show experience minimum 2 to 3 years in automation. So that level of the practice you have to do. Framework development, implementation, and script development is very important. Okay, along with, you should have a knowledge of Git, Jenkins. If you add the basics, knowledge, that is fine, but later you can explore it. If you have this level of knowledge, proper practice of the framework, script development, execute your code in local and CI, then update the profile, I'm 100% sure the calls will come. Make sure your notice period less than 90 days. Calls will come definitely, guys. Still many companies are hiring for Selenium. If you already know Selenium, okay, I forget to add it, you can also add AI skills with Selenium also. You can learn agent and GitHub Copilot. You can integrate with the Selenium. Okay, apart from that, many new tools is there, you can just add on, but don't go for the multiple profile. The people already know Selenium, and definitely you have to upgrade with the Playwright. Okay, so you have a more possibility to get the interview calls. Okay, definitely you can learn Playwright have a in automation testing. You can automate UI and API both with framework level development, and GitHub Copilot, AI agent, MCP server, everything you can do in the same framework. So this is the advantage of the Playwright. JavaScript with the TypeScript. Get Jenkins. If you have a time, you can also learn some of the cloud like GCP, AWS, Azure. Basics knowledge is required. You can update your profile. Definitely calls will come. One of the subscriber is also there. Hey, I am completely new in the automation. I want to start to learn the automation. Definitely, you can start with the Playwright with JavaScript, TypeScript. Don't There is no dependency on the Selenium. You should learn Selenium and Java. No, only Playwright, JavaScript, TypeScript is enough for you, and the AI tools, GitHub Copilot, AI Agent, MCP Server, and Git Jenkins. These are the skills you can start to learn. There is no dependency on Selenium. If you are a like 2 3 months and 4 months 5 months, you have learn in the depth Playwright and all. If you have a time, you can just have a basics knowledge of Java, Selenium. That will help you to get more interview calls. Okay, but together it's a very difficult to learn, so you can pick only one skills at a time. Okay, and I told you requirement is there for both Selenium and Playwright. Okay, and Engineers Tech Hub will also provide the live training for Playwright. if you guys want to join the classes with basics, advanced and framework development with AI tools. We are also providing the live training. Not only training, your experience will convert into the automation. We'll also prepare for the resume, how to get the interview calls. We have a community where we are posting daily interview requirement. Okay, so guys, that's all in this video. If you are new in the channel, make sure subscribe and press bell icon. See you in the next video. Bye bye.